My name's Amelia, and I'm from Golden High School, but I'm soon to be going to the Colorado School of Mines. So this jumpsuit is a call to action around mental health. It has this suicide awareness ribbon as the center, and off of it there's 3D printed feathers, which represent wings of hope and strength and resilience. And flowing down out of the ribbon itself are these teardrops, and all of them are also 3D printed, but they are handwritten notes from my classmates who have struggled with mental health and are bordered by representative groups like allies and the LGBTQ+ community and anxiety. And they bring a sort of personality to the anonymity of mental health without making people feel too vulnerable. Well, my dad is a STEM teacher, and so I grew up spending most of the summers in his classroom around 3D printers, and obviously him talking about it at home all the time. And it kind of just grew up as part of my daily life. And over time, I grew a passion for it. I knew I wanted to do some type of engineering, and this gave me a route to be more creative in the engineering field and represent kind of my passions in a new way. So with this project, there was a lot of brainstorming. I try to follow the design engineering process as close as possible, but it's a very organic design to begin with. But with anything, obviously inspiration's the first step. I took something that was a problem in my community and needed a solution, and I kind of took that and ran and spent a couple of months just drawing out ideas, brainstorming, talking with people, throwing ideas out there, and having them tell me exactly what was wrong with it, and talking with my friends about what they wanted to see, and just talking with the community that it was going to impact. And then from there, once I had a design, I started working on the actual logistics of it, figuring out how I was even going to print it, doing the actual drawings of all of the teardrops, the feathers, whatever I'm trying to print, and then turning that into a 3D file, assembling it and printing it, and then assembling it again physically. Probably the versatility of it. I grew up around mainly FDM, which even FDM itself has a lot of applications, but especially with the PolyJet printers, there's so many different facets, from fashion to medical to dental and even transportation. And just the wide range that it meets and even blows out of the water is impressive. And I mean, you can look at any field and find a solution in additive for it. Especially with Stratasys, they've opened up so many doors, and I really want to continue additive. There's a lot of facets to it, as I said. The work that I do with NASA Hunch in my Warren Tech program as well has opened doors into aerospace work and the ways that additive is used in that field. But especially in the area that I live, there's so many different companies. There's medical companies, there's aerospace, and being able to focus on additive in all different aspects is a goal. I've thought about architecture and working on 3D printed homes, but I'm kind of keeping my doors open. Additive's so applicable to a lot of different fields that I'm hoping I can kind of try a bunch of different stuff.